In this next video I'm going to show you how you can use the bot profit Webview forms and use the URL that's being generated there and insert that into your ManyChat template. Let's get started. So once you have seen the previous video about how to create your Webview form, it's time to put this form into use by copying the generated link here at the bottom, and you just paste that into the right spot in your ManyChat flow. You can do that on two places. You can either use the bot user field that we created, or you can just copy this URL right here and paste it into your flow like immediately. We're going to do the second method because that's actually a little easier. It may be a little confusing the first time, but after that, if you are going to replicate or use more jobs, this is the preferred way to do it. So you just go to your recruitment bot directory in your template. You click the Webview version, it's over here. Then you select this one, start interview 1, and after that you just click edit, and then you click this button which will start the interview, and as you can see right here is the complete URL. Now we have just copied the URL which included the ID and the flow query string, so that's already there, so we're going to delete it from the link that we are going to paste. This is the bot field that I was just talking about. I'll just remove that, click Ctrl or Command V, and now you see the entire link has been pasted in here, including the ID and the flow identifier, which we already had. So I'm going to delete this little section, which leaves a complete and correct URL to the Webview form. This identifier you see right here, that corresponds to the flow identifier where your candidate will go to after he completed the entire form. It's automatically created, or the candidate is sent there automatically, that's what I meant. So you don't have to worry about that, but you do have to make sure this one corresponds to the flow that the user is going to. I will just click publish right now, so this one is working on our server and in your ManyChat account, and I will show you the other flow. This is this one after Webview 0. 0 means the first one after the Webview. This first it's going to start interview, then it's opening the Webview, then after filling that form they will go to this one, and the identifier for this flow, you will find that in the address bar. It starts with content, then you get a date, an underscore, and a couple of other numbers. I can't show you right now because this video editor doesn't show the address bar, but it will look like what I just told you. So I will put an image in the README file of how it looks that I can do for you, so you are going to be sure you have the right one. That's it. If you have any questions, please let me know, but I think it's pretty straightforward. Thank you.